Okay, here we have the Diawave cheese laser. It's the portable 2.5 pound. We're going to show you how to put it together and how to use it. It's very light. Here's the battery. And you slide it together. Nice and firm. We'll show you how to first hook it up with the battery. I wouldn't recommend hooking this up until you make sure it's off. This is in the off position. Everything should be in the off position or it will spark. That's the off position. Okay, you hook it up like that. And then here's the foot pedal. It's the same foot pedal. We're going to use the foot pedal. It's all on the side. Remember, it's 12 o'clock high. It's not the same foot pedal. We'll take the foot pedal, this one. So the laser has its own specific foot pedal. 12 o'clock high, you stick it in. Should be very easy. You never force it. Now I recommend that you need the interlock. And you notice how this is marked. The interlock should be in here if the person put it back. And they did. Here's the interlock. Always keep it in one of the kits and mark it. You can even write the word interlock on it, because if you lose this, the laser will not work. We do have them, but it takes time to get them if you lose it. Remember the red, I'm looking for the red, and you stick it in here, 12 o'clock high. There we go. Then we're also going to hook up the fiber. Again, there is a wheel that comes with this. It comes with every laser. However, I prefer the way it's set up like this. Much easier. But you can use the wheel. They both work well. You always keep off the metal connector because you don't want to get any dirt or lint in there. So when you're not using it, you put the covering over it. You put this in, it should be finger tight. And we're ready to turn it on in a minute. Open up the foot pedal. It's like a crab. This is the foot pedal inside. Here's the holder for this, and it's 4 zeros. And we're going to set this time on and time off. That's the pulse width. We're going to set it for 800. Here's 800, and now for some reason it's too warm. We're also going to do it anywhere from 4 to 6 watts. We're going to start at 4. You can always go up. So we have 400 watts, 4 watts, 800 milliseconds on, 800 milliseconds off. It's on not CW, it's got to be pulsed. If you put it on CW, it's too hot. Menu. We're going to put the timer. The timer is going to be for, you can set it for 5 minutes because you're going to put in 500 joules on the big toe, 250 on the lesser toe. The timer, you also want to put in, you can put in proposals that you have. You can set them if you want to. You can, there's the timer, 300. You got it in pulse, 800 milliseconds, 800 milliseconds off. You got 4 watts. Let's go to the menu. There's one other thing, options. The timer must always be on for it to operate. If you shut it off, there's a little clock, if you can see next to the 980. If you shut it off, it will disappear. It has to be on. You can do the light, the pilot light. You can do almost anything with this. You can look at this. There is a manual that goes with this that you should have. If you have any questions, you can email me, Dr. Zuckerman, at footcare@comcast.net, or you can call me or text me on my cell phone, 856-229-2939. So this is set up for nails. I'm going to also show you how to set this up for the therapy.